I told you not to come in here already drinking. No, he just record this to try to make us look bad because he's some kind of right-wing teabagger, biker or something, or skinhead, I don't know. And by the way, are you listening? All right. You are on one of those tapes in the first part because you think I'm talking to you and you're driving me nuts because I'm trying to get rid of those corners. And as usual, you can't hear what's going on. So if you listen closely, you'll realize you're in the first part of one of those tapes. Oh, yeah?